baby. Here's my gas. Let's go here.
No.
Oh, it's cheap. For mobile? Where do you think I'm gonna get gas cheaper than that?
I pay $4.77 at BJ's.
You gonna take my car to BJ's?
Yeah, you drive.
I love those.
They'll teach you to pay attention.
You okay?
And if you get upset, I'll just start like touching you all over, and then you'll get relaxed, and you'll figure you're online. What do you think?
I just don't want to. I really don't want to go any lower than where really I'm at.
Okay. Well, I gotta wait for Julia anyway.
Why do I have to wait for Julia?
She wants to see you.
She wants to see the puppies. Doesn't want to see me.
She called you because she said she misses you.
It's Mrs. Hamungi. See you, lady meatball.